Hey guys, welcome back. So in this lecture, we're going to see how to run test package file through XML. So what does it mean? It means in a regression example, during our regression, you need to run all of your test cases. So there will be no exclude or include, pretty much you want to cover end-to-end test execution. So that time, we can easily just run our test of the package file we have, and inside the package file we have all the classes, all the methods, so we can easily trigger that package file, other than including all the classes, everything's. Here is an example how we can modify your XML file. So in your XML file, all you have to mention that, okay, this is your test module name, and inside that you can add a packages tag name, and inside that you can say package name equals to whatever your package name, and close the package. Okay, and then close the test tag, and this is your closing of your suite. It's very simple. So we don't have to add our classes, then class name, and any exclude method, all those things, so we can avoid. Okay, let's do it. So let's go back to our Eclipse. So here we're going to, let's create a copy of our TestNG XML file. Okay, I'm going to just copy this one, copy, so there's a copy, and then paste, create another same TestNG XML file, so that we can do the exercise on the other one. And we can create multiple XML file. That's fine. You can have in even real life, you can have a multiple XML file. So let's paste on the project level. So this is my project level, right? So paste it over here. Okay, so let's give a name. Yeah, TestNG2 XML file, that's fine. So let's open the TestNG2 XML file, and here I have, you can see I have my module name, the first module, and then I have another module. So in that case, I'm going to remove everything. Okay, I don't need anything. So here the classes, I don't need the classes. Let's remove everything, and I will give it just name, say module name, example, whatever the module. So if you want to cover all the test cases for a specific module, you can create a separate XML file and just run all the test cases for this, or you can say for whole application, end-to-end application. So I will give a module, whatever name you can say, okay, end-to-end. Okay, that's my module name, or test module name. Okay, and after that I will say packages. Here I'll create a packages, right? So let's closing the packages, and after that inside the packages, and I will say package name, same format, like we said, class name. So it's same over here, package name, and what's the equals to in double quote my package, and what's the package name you want to test. So this is my package, say test. Okay, so this is the test. In real life, you definitely will have multiple package. You will have a lot of package. So in one package you will have a number of classes, and like over here we have 3 classes and lots of methods. Similarly, you will have another package which that package related method class will be there. So you can add the packages over here, 1 package, 2 packages, it's up to you. So here I'm just adding the package, so it means it will run all the classes, all the methods inside this test package. Okay, and then make sure you close it, right? And after that where is that? Okay, package, yes, close the package, and then package this goes. That's it. Very simple. Save it. Let's run it. So it should run all of them. Okay, here you can see here is a 8 method. Let's say this is that counting all, giving all of them as you can see over here. This is the first method. Second method is the output that we printed, we asked to print, and here is the result. You can see in our end-to-end, this is our package, our module name, and there is a demo, just our first class. In our demo we have a method how many method we have? 1, 2, 3 method. You can say hello display last is a 3 method, all of them run. And then demo one we have, I believe, 1 method. We have only 1 method, which is a show method, you can see. And demo two we have 1 method mobile, and then mobile SSO 3 method, right? I believe 3 or 4 methods. I think it's 4 methods, yes. API mobile, there is a 2 mobile, 1 is a web, right? So you can see here, right? So in the demo 2, so the 4 methods, so all of them, so 4, and then over here 7, 3 is I think it's here is a 1, and then here is a 3, so all of them are total 8. Okay, so that's what it's been, ran all of them. You can see 8 method run. So easily, that's the way you can easily run your whole package, just using a package tags, right? That's all. And just by the way, please do the review if you like my course. It will really help us to encourage to create more courses and provide better services for you. Thank you, much appreciated.